The 10 types of empaths. Which one are you and how to make the most of your gift? Empathy is an ability to understand and feel the emotions of others. It means putting yourself in one's shoes of others, allowing yourself to know what they feel, their pains and weaknesses. Empaths are those who show empathy. They are emotionally intelligent and very intuitive individuals who have the special gift of reaching out to others. They are one of the most loving personalities. Empaths, however, vary in types and speciality of functions. They come in different shades, flavors, and blends, all determined by other temperaments, yet displaying their unique gift of empathy. So, before we delve into the list of 10 types of empaths and brief descriptions about them, don't forget to secure your free trial of the medically proven solution to anxiety. Please, find link at the description box below. Below, we have a list of 10 types of empaths and brief descriptions about them. 1. Intuitive empaths. These are empaths who get information about people only by being around them. As they relate with a person, they get to know the challenges and difficulties that the person is facing. They do not have to be told this before they decipher what is what and what's not. 2. Geometric empaths. These are also called environmental empaths. These empaths can receive signals and energy about their physical environment. They find a deep connection and sensitivity to certain places and things. If something terrible, like a flood, is about to happen, they feel this discomfort and unrest. Geometric empaths are naturalists. They love and preserve nature. They are firmly against destroying anything natural, and they spend a lot of time outdoors too. 3. Fauna empaths. They are also called animal empaths. These empaths are so drawn to animals. They can relate to them so well, and such a strong bond exists between them. Sometimes it seems as if they speak and hear their language. To them, animals are their special friend. Fauna empaths are firmly against maltreatment and indiscriminate killing of animals for food and sports. For them, hurting a fly is like a sacrilege. Most of them spend their lives doing animal-related jobs. 4. Plant or flora empaths. They are plant-oriented. They love greens. Their hands are tender, loving, and nurtures living things. They love to grow things as it gives them so much joy. They feel refreshed in the gardens, parks, or other natural environments. They seem to speak and hear the language of the plants and know just what they need, and they spend their lives in pursuit of this course. 5. Spiritual empaths. Just as emotional empaths connect with people by the physical world, they connect with the spiritual world. They are also known as medium empaths. They have a deep connection with the dead, with spirits and figures of the spiritual world. They can also be attuned with the spiritual, that though they are present in the physical, their minds are far away, relating with the world beyond. They serve as a medium between the physical and spiritual world, messages relaying. 6. Emotional empaths. They are deeply affected by the feeling and emotions of others. They have this ability to connect with people, feeling what they are passing through, putting themselves in the position of others. They are also people-oriented. Most times they put the people's needs ahead of their own. 7. Physical or medical empaths. They are just like emotional empaths. They sense people's pain and sometimes hurt even in their bodies. They are also natural healers, as they can detect where need healing in a person and how to go about it. 8. Precognitive empaths. These empaths have the capacity to know what will happen beforehand. Mostly they get dreams, trance, or visions of future events, good or bad alike, and they do not rest until something has been done about what they have seen. 9. Hayoka Empaths. They can feel things about others, know things that are to happen about a person, and sometimes change or distribute or influence the course of events to a person's favor. 10. Psychometric Empaths. They have the ability to draw meanings and impression to get messages from objects like shapes, colors, jewelry, and symbols. So what's your opinion about this? I hope you enjoy watching this cool video, and if you have something on your mind, don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to join our notification squad. Thanks for watching.